AI isn't going to replace you, but the person who knows AI might. So let me show you how quickly you can activate the agentic workflow on your ServiceNow platform and become the AI hero in your team.
Today, I'll show you the most adopted agentic workflow, which is triage and categorize ITSM incident. What it does, it categorizes the incident, maps the related services, offering, and CIs, then searches any major incidents or problem associated with it, and tags your incident too. There are three agents which is being used. You can see the incident AI agent, CI AI agent, and the problem AI agent, which caters to agentic workflow. Let me show you on platform how you can activate it. Go to AI Agent Studio, click on Create and Manage. Here you can apply the filter, type, make sure that you are in IT Service Management AI Agent Collections. Then you go to Name, write Contains, and the value write Triage, search. You'll find the agentic workflow, which is triage and categorize ITSM incidents. Open that. You will see in first tab all the details like workflow name, workflow description, and the list of steps that your AI agent is going to perform. Think like it is guidance to your AI agent. And here you will see that how many AI agents are going to perform. Move to next tab, and there you will see user access. So it's basically the ACL part, which tells you that who is going to access or going to interact with your agentic workflow. By default is ITIL. Leave it as it is. Click on save and continue. We go to data access. This basically tells you that which role have access to access your data. By default it's ITIL. Keep it as it is. Go to next tab and you will see the trigger. So this is basically what it defines, that when your agentic workflow will trigger. By default it comes as inactivated. If you wish to activate it, there is a trigger, which is trigger. You can just deactivate or activate. I have already activated it, so it's on for me, but by default it comes deactivated. So if you want this agentic workflow to work, you need to activate it. There are certain conditions by default which comes, which is short description, which is not empty, your state changes to new or it's in new, and it deals with the priority 3 4 5. You can adjust it as per your requirement. If you want to add any other trigger, you can do that. Now the next tab is on select channels. So how you are going to interact with the agentic workflow. I have enabled it for my now assess panel. If you don't want any interactions, so you can keep it deactivated. Now let's move to the next tab, which is testing tab. We call it as agent playground, where basically you can test your agentic workflow. So you see here it's scrolling. That means it's trying to find the agentic workflow, which is going to which we are going to test it. Let it load. Meanwhile, let's find out an incident which we are going to test. Okay, let me type incident and I'll open the list. I'll find it out the incident which is in a new state, and if it requires I can just create one. So let me see if I have any new. Yeah, I found one. So okay, I have applied the incident number, so you can just put the incident record over there, and you will see once I put the incident number, my agentic workflow have started working, and you see the orchestrator kicks in and it brings in all the AI agent that we saw initially. And if you see in the left side, there is already your agents are doing the task, and you see already it has categorized my incident, which is a network, and subcategory found out the VPN. On the right side you see all the steps that is being performed. Still your AI agents are working. All the three AI agent and the orchestrator is making sure that your AI agents are collaborating. Checking back on the incident, and you see it's already categorized and set the subcategory. It also went ahead and identified my service offerings and CI. You see, agent have already done their task, and my all the executions are completed over here. Oh, it also found the major incident, which it has tagged to my incident, it seems. So let me check back that whether it has associated. So you see, yeah, so it has tagged the major incident, which is already there. It has proposed it. I have CI offerings, impacted services, related records, notes. You see, AI has already posted and put the suggestion in, which is great. Another way of testing your agentic workflow is via service operation workspace. So I go to service operation workspace. I'll quickly show you how you can do that from here. So go to incident, open the list. I'll create a new incident to show you how the agentic workflow triggers when you have have your agentic workflow enabled. So I'll just write short descriptions. VPN issue is one of my favorite. It always categorizes and I have data around it. So I'll just choose my caller location. I'll just decategorize it for now so that agentic workflow will help me to categorize it. So you see, I've created an incident and I waited for some time, and you see AI has already categorized the network and VP. And if I look back, it already identified all the parts, that is service offering, services, CIs, and if you see over here, everything is mapped.
Now you know how exactly you do it, and you can become the person who says, yes, we can automate it via AI agent. See you in the next video.